Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock fits. Check door thickness and backset, then remove the existing deadbolt. Once done, charge the smart lock or install fresh batteries so you won't lose power mid-setup. Next, download the manufacturer app and create an account. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone. You'll follow the app prompts for hardware pairing, but first mount the adapter plate and align the tailpiece with the bolt. This makes pairing smooth and prevents cross-thread issues. You now mount the lock body onto the adapter plate and hand-tighten screws. Make sure the tailpiece slides into the bolt mechanism without binding. Once physically secure, open the app and start pairing. Choose BLE or QR code pairing depending on model, and keep your phone within 2 to 3 meters. When paired, calibrate the lock rotation so it knows the locked and unlocked positions. Set an auto-lock timer, and assign an easy name. These steps ensure reliable operation and let you use voice assistance or remote access later. You finish by testing every access method. Use the app, keypad, and a physical key to confirm consistent operation, and check that status notifications arrive. Once satisfied, enable remote access through a Wi-Fi bridge or hub and secure your account with two-factor authentication so outsiders can't control your door. If something goes wrong, try a simple fix. Reboot your phone, power cycle, or reset the lock per the manual, and retry pairing within 1 meter using fresh batteries. This clears Bluetooth conflicts and often resolves stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.